Welcome to the IVA Hustle channel. Today we're talking about scaling your side hustle into a full-time freelance business. Many people start their own business on the side, but it can be difficult to make the jump to becoming a full-time entrepreneur. In this video, we'll go over some key strategies for turning your side hustle into a thriving business. The first step in scaling your side hustle is to identify your target market. This means understanding who your ideal customer is and what their needs are. Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, you can tailor your products or services to meet their specific needs. Next, create a business plan. A business plan will help you set specific goals and objectives for your business and map out a clear strategy for achieving them. It will also serve as a useful tool for securing funding or investment. Another important aspect of scaling your side hustle is to invest in marketing and promotion. This can include creating a website, building a social media presence, and identifying key influencers in your industry. By building a strong online presence and reaching out to your target audience, you can increase your visibility and attract new customers. It's also important to focus on building a strong team. Whether you're hiring employees or outsourcing work, it's important to have a team in place that can help you grow your business. This can help you take on more work and scale your operations more efficiently. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's reaching out to a mentor or joining an entrepreneurial community, there are many resources available to help you take your business to the next level. Scaling your side hustle into a full-time business is a challenging but rewarding process. By identifying your target market, creating a business plan, investing in marketing and promotion, building a strong team, and seeking help when needed, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business. That's it, we've come to the end. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on building a successful business. Thanks for watching.